Alright guys, I'm gonna drill this. What do y'all think it's gonna drill fast or slow? You think it'll drill well or drill not so well? I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know what this material is. I got it from a tear out. What you think? It's a little hard. Oh. Good knife, that's so hard. That junk is hard, dude. If that was white, I'll show you the difference. That's the difference. That is freaking ridiculous. So I don't know what you guessed, but that's normal stone right there. You saw how long it took me on that one and how long on that one. Woo, that stuff is freaking hard, but I don't even know what it is, guys. But hope everybody's having a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.